Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you essential useful CapCut tools that can help you take your video editing skills to the next level. Tools are essential for creating captivating and professional-looking videos. So, let's jump right into it. One, background blur. Our very first CapCut effect is background blur. It will give you such DSLR vibe. I have already imported a video of mine. Just drag the video and drop it on the timeline. Now copy the video and paste it on it. There is background video and another is cutout video. Select the background video and go to the effect, which at the top bar. From the effects library, you just have to find out blur. When you put the mouse cursor, it will show you the preview. Drag the blur effect and drop on the background video. You may not see any changes now because the upper layer covering it. We need to remove video background using Cut tool. Select the upper layer and go to the cutout, which is as a top left corner. Now enable the cutout option. It will take a few seconds for processing. After that, you can see my video background got blur effect. You can also customize it. Select the background layer and go to the basic options under the section of video, then click on Edit button and customize the ratio of blur effect at your need. 2. Background remover. Now we will show you how to change and set a new background. Select the background layer and delete it from timeline. Import photos or videos for background. I have already imported a photo which I will drag and drop in the timeline. Note that the cutoff and the background should match perfectly. You can see my background is changed. You can set also video as background. 3. Keyframe. Our third CapCut tool is keyframe. This tool is a must-have for adding captivating animations and transitions to your videos. Suppose I want to do a very simple animation in the background. Select the background and put that mouse cursor at the beginning of the video, then go to the partition and size under the section of basic and click on square button, which actually present keyframe. Then skip to the end of the video and move the background right or left. Keyframe allows you to create smooth and seamless movements by setting keyframes at different points in your video timeline. 4. Face enhancer. The next CapCut tool we have is the face enhancer. This tool is perfect for enhancing the appearance of faces in your videos. Whether you want to smooth out skin blemishes, reduce wrinkles, or brighten the eyes, the face enhancer tool has got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can make your subjects look their best. 5. Aspect ratio. If you're having issues with the display size of your videos on different platforms, you may need to change the aspect ratio. First, you need to select the video that you want to change the aspect ratio, and then you can see the ratio button. Here you can find all video ratio 1*1 or 9*16, which is used for Facebook or TikTok. Then simple click on the video and stretch it out till it fills in the frame. 6. Auto caption. Using auto caption, you can automatically generate accurate captions for your videos. Select the video which contains speech, then go to the text which is at the top bar. Now select auto captions. You can choose language depends on your speech. Enable the clean current subtitles. Finally click on Create button. It uses advanced speech recognition technology to transcribe your audio into text, and you can easily edit and customize the font, size, and styles to match your video's style. 7. Noise reduction. Another nice tool is noise reduction. You can easily remove any noise from your voice in your video. Select the audio or video from which you want to remove background noise. Then go to the audio, which is at the left top of the screen, and you will see an option for noise reduction. It will reduce the amount of background noise in the audio. There are also a few options for voice effects, which is a really useful feature for content creators. Now I will show who can be optimized CapCut. It will help you to reduce lag problem. Go to Menu, which is at left top corner, Open Settings. Then select Performance. Now, Enable. Proxy mode is turned on by default when any project is created. Now click on the 3 dots on the player, then select Preview Quality and Performance Priority. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out, or if you have any other CapCut tools that you recommend. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.